artichokes have something in them called cinnarin. It's kind of like that sweet aftertaste when you have artichokes. And let me show you what we do with this recipe. First of all, I boil up the artichokes whole, you see. And then when you take them out of the pan, you can cut them in half lengthwise like this. This makes it so much easier to get rid of this hairy center. Look at how easy that comes out.
Absolutely.
You get rid of that, and then you want to take this hairy choke. You see this part right here?
Right.
That's very, very hairy. You take that off. You get rid of that because you don't want to eat that. That's just too, it'll stick in your throat, and then that won't be very good. We don't want that at all. So you take out that hairy choke. I'm going to take out this one. And for this recipe, I am going to use, we're traveling down from Italy now. We've been in the Veneto with the Asiago. Right. Now we are going to the region of Emilia-Romagna. And that means Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So I like to fill these cavities with that grated cheese.
I see.
And you know this, I'm sure, as the king of cheeses. The way to know it is to look on the rind and see those words.
Yes.
Parmigiano Reggiano, which tells you that this cheese can only be made in a certain part of Italy by Italian law. So now with this, we have to make a filling. Are you thinking about the wine for this?
I am thinking about it.
Okay. So for this, you want some breadcrumbs. Fresh breadcrumbs that you've toasted up. You want a little bit of sautéed garlic, goes in a bowl. A little bit of parsley, or you could use thyme. This would be nice with this as well. Here is our Parmigiano Reggiano, all grated up. This is a cow's milk cheese made from a morning and an evening milking, and it's a part skim milk cheese. So put some of that in. And then we just mix this all up together, and we stuff these. So I'm going to put them in this little ramekin that you and I, we're going to sample this later on.
Oh, good.
In a pan like that, and then I just stuff this mixture right in. You see, and give a little bit of olive oil over the top. So you stuff the cavities, and you're going to bake these. So you bake them covered, 350 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. They're really almost cooked because they're very soft now. And then I add some broth. You could use chicken broth, vegetable broth, mixed with some lemon juice. I put it in the little ramekin. Your oven is on at 350 degrees, and away we go. This is wonderful for a party. Give it a little bit of olive oil over the top.